Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you one crazy one-way smoke that can actually change the way how you are holding B side on Inferno completely. But before we start in this video, I use my own practice config thanks which I can see the grenade trajectory, show impacts, flying and many more. So if you want to know how to create this kind of config, simply watch one of our previous videos. But now let's go for the smoke. Okay, so for this one-way smoke you actually have to come to the back of the B side on Inferno. You have to come to this pillar and you will look for this vertical darker line. So you will just go to it and you will line yourself up with the darker part. And then as you can see all of those blue barrels, so basically you will aim between them and like between the top of the bottom barrel and between the top line of the bottom barrel. So like in here, between the barrels and between those two, and just simply throw. And as you can see, the one-way smoke dropped and actually you can cover B easily. You can see enemies coming, you can see shoot them easily, and they actually cannot see you at all. So basically I'm going to show it to you with the bots here. So I will place here two bots. I'm going to throw the same smoke. Okay, so I will come again on the same position to the darker spot and then again am here, and as you can see I can easily see the enemies, I can see their foot, legs, so I can basically easily shoot them, and as you can see they cannot see me at all. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you like this. If you want to see more tutorial videos from Counter-Strike Global Offensive, simply hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe, we really need it. And if you want to know what kind of video and when will be released, simply follow us on our Patreon or on our social media. All links are in description. So that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.